If you want to edit a slow motion video on the Motorola Edge 70 Pro, what you can do is, first of all, we're going to open the Photos app. And once we open the Photos app, then over here we should be able to just open the slow motion video that we want to edit. And I'm going to tap on the video in order to reveal all of these different options. Here we can find two timelines. So this timeline over here at the bottom with like a normal line and the vertical line over here, this is like the timeline of the video itself. And the timeline above it with the dots is the slow motion area. So here we should be able to choose which area, which part of the video should be in slow motion. So we can grab by these lines in order to, for example, extend or shorten the slow motion effect. I mean, the duration of the slow motion effect. You can choose exactly when it should start and when it should end. You can also just tap anywhere over here on this timeline and it works too. Of course, besides that, we also have the edit option. So in case you want to make some further editing for the video itself, then of course you should be able to find all of these different options in here. So be sure to check that out. Leave a like and subscribe.